All right,
Go to the driveway. Go, 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 go.
Oh, shoot. Did you lose something? Hey, I see him moving. I see him moving.
Alright, moving in. Harder, see. Oh wait, that doesn't have any more. Crap. Alright, you stay close to him. We don't need to walk talking. What are you doing?
Probably the weirdest thing I've seen. Hey, we have, looks like we have Eli, maybe, along the shed. Okay, that's all, Austin. Austin sniping. I'll cover you.
Duck. Good feet. Sit down, man.
Sit down, Senor President. Here, watch that way. Tell us if they're coming. Hey, we have a sniper on the bridge. Hey, I'm reloading. Guys, cover me. Reloading. Gosh, we gotta get better at reloading. We have to get to the fort, the old fort.
Stay behind me. Stay behind me. Go.
Okay, we have a sniper. Go, go. 3, 2, 1. Through the radio. Okay, I'm gonna cover you. God damn it. Did not mean to record that. Get down, President, get down! Lay down, lay down.
Helmet, sir! Get your helmet on, sir! Okay.
I don't see him. I see Gino. I never got hit. Never touched me. I'm pinned down, guys.
Get behind the tree. Get behind the tree!
I see Gino. There's no ammo.
Oh no.
I see sniper! Get down! Sniper near the shed. He hit me. Or didn't hit me, he hit the tree behind me.
Stay down, stay down, stay down. Move, move, move!
I got the president.
Get behind me, get behind me!
Get down.
Use my as a shield.
Get down, get down.
No, I didn't get hit. It literally was like that.
Crap, we gotta watch that way. They can go that way.
Alright, no, stay. Watch him.
Hey, we have Eli right here. So we have Austin and Eli right here.
Hi. Austin and Eli right there.
Parker, get down. Austin is right there. Austin's right there. Get down, Ty. Hit the tree.
On pool.
Parker,
yeah.
Hold on to this.
Oh, that's him.
Yeah, it's Austin. Austin's hit, Austin's hit.
Move up, move up, move up.
Hit, hit.
Get it.
Parker, I gotta reload. Crap, that's a really bad reload.
Get on me, get on me, get on me. Reloading.
Go for me. Hey guys, we got Gino down there. Watch him.
Eli, I see it hitting you.
You were out, Eli? Okay. You're shooting, I thought you were in. You're shooting, I thought you were in. I'm pinned down by sniper. Sorry, you gotta get down. No way, we have to get Eli to the, we have to get Parker to the fort, the old fort, where Austin is. Same place as I was, pinned down, need help. Gino and Austin are like right near the fort. Crap! Cover me! You guys are all hit, move up! Get on the ground! I'm sorry. Let's go, let's go!